Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to pin post on Facebook page. So first up here, open up your Facebook app as you can see on your screen, and then open your Facebook page that has an administrative access. Now here, all you need to do is just scroll down and find a post that you want to pin. So scroll down, and here for example. Now if you want to pin this post, all you need to do just tap on the three dots right there at the top right of that post. Basically, an option shows up here. We have pin post, save video, edit post, etc. But in this case, we just need to tap on pin post. So if you tap on this pin post, as you can see, your post has been pinned to the top of your timeline. So yeah, that's how you basically pin post on Facebook page. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.